the lower the share price is, yes, it can be seen as a little bit more of a tricky investment, of a more high risk investment, but that allows me at least to buy a lot more shares. So if I were to get 200 shares, basically for every penny that the stock rises, you get $2. Now the brokerage that I use charges me $10 to buy, to make a trade, and then $10 to sell. No matter what the share price is, right? I mean, no matter how many shares I'm buying. If I buy 50, or I buy 1,000 or 10,000, it's still $10 to buy, $10 to sell. So it's $20 for a buy and sell. So that's why I say minus $20 in terms of fees. So if you were to buy 200 shares, you would need the share price to go up by 10 cents in order for you to sell minus the fees and still break even. Any raise in price after the 10 cents mark, that's all profit, right? So if the share of the price goes up by $1 and you have 200 shares, minus the fees, you'd be making about $180. Taking a bigger example of 500 shares, so again, you are allowed to buy more shares because the stock price is lower. The increase in the share price threshold is a lot less in order for you to break even. So 500 compared to 2. If you buy 500 shares, you would need increase in price to 4 cents per share, 4 cents per share in order to break even, compared to 10 cents per share. Now, obviously, if you have the money for it and you're buying 1,000 shares, or even 2,000, 3,000, or even accumulating upwards of those numbers per share, that leaves a lot more room for you to be able to buy and sell. But again, you'd be needing a lot more capital in order to do that. So if you had 1,000 shares, once the share price increases by just 2 cents, you're already breaking even minus the fees, right? And then if it goes up by 1 more cent, that's 3 cents a share in price. You can already sell it and make $10 profit. Let's say the share price all of a sudden goes up by $1. Then yes, you will be making $980 for that buy and sell. But don't forget, again, there's going to be a lot more capital involved. So when you're buying 1,000 shares, that 7,130 is going to be tied up. So that's all I really have for you guys today. Just wanted to share with you, what I do in terms of investing in stocks. Please like, share, subscribe, and let me know what stocks or what dividend stocks I'm more interested in that you're investing in. That way I can take a look at it too to see if it's a right stock for me to invest in. Again, do your own research before you decide to invest in anything. Don't invest, don't invest more than you can afford to lose. But remember, it's not how much you make, but how much you save. So once you take those profits, make sure that you either reinvest it or save it for another time. All right. Thanks again for watching, guys.